Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this week's new releases. There is quite a few things in here. It's not too much. It's quite nice. So let's jump on in. First of all, we're going to run through the freebies real quick. When you place an order this month, you will receive the June little freebie. I don't know if I am going to be going through and doing new freebies for next month because I do have some still left over and I kind of want to use them up first. So I'm going to be throwing this or whichever one into an order and you'll get that. Also, when you place a freebie, you will either get one of these two little cards, like little stickers, just 2025 stickers. You'll also be getting the social card as well, which has all of my social media on there. So go and give me a follow. It is at the end of this video as well and listed down below in the down bar. And then also when you place your order, you will receive one of these cards. You pop the little freebie in the little freebie dot once you filled it up. Send me a message and I'll send you something. Let's jump on in. So first of all, we have the coloured icons. So you can buy these separate or all together. And this one is in pale green. So I was redoing them. So this one. And so I decided to put the colour of the name on there. So I'm bringing these out weekly-ish. You get the washi as well if you buy it in a bundle, or you can buy them separate. Next up we have the icons. So we have the washing basket in rainbow, pastel, pinks and neutral. And then we have the hearts in rainbow, pastel, pinks and neutral. And the A symbols, I'm not actually sure what these are called, but I use these for either emails, rainbow, pastel, pinks and neutral. Then we have the hard drive icon in rainbows, pastel, pinks and neutral. And then I also decided to do a trash can just in silver, just because, or grey, because I feel like we need it. This kit here is a bit of a revamped kit. This one is called Grey Cats and it is a older kit that I decided to reformat. So you get the 7 full boxes. This one here is a, actually is technically a double box. I can't remember. Yeah, it is a double box. So yeah, this one here is a double box. And this one is, yeah, reformatted. So just a bit of a grey kind of tone throughout the kit. I think in the original kit this was kind of like white, so I had to change her up. So just a pretty kit. I'd probably use it for maybe a winter time, especially with the colours and such. Then you get these little ones as well in the kit. Where's that going? So you get those as well. Very lovely. I'm actually going to do the B6 kits next. So I have a few here. I have Autumn Leaves, which has been redone. The only new thing is the little name down the bottom. All the same. And then I also have All Things Pink. Again, same, except it's just got the name below. Good. And then a new item to the shop I have is the solid underlays, or pattern underlays actually, sorry. This one is B, and it's just basically full boxes in a B pattern. So they do come undone like that. And yeah, you can pair them with any spread. I do have a spread that I'd like to pair them with. I think it's going to be a B-tastic spread, so I brought those out as well. They just are on matte paper, as is everything else. Another new journaling thing I have is the functional journaling stickers. So I have them in the functional shapes in square. This is in like a light purple. I have rounded square, pentagon, and then just a circle. So they are cut out quite nicely. So you can pop that in your planner, just for a little something if you just want to add and do some layering in your journal or in your weekly spread, wherever. So I do have a few ideas with that, and I'm thinking about doing something else too. The next new thing as well is some bubble letters. I wanted to do these because I thought about doing a reading journal, and it's good just to have different little things as well if you want it for a fitness journal or whatever. So I've got the bubble letters in large, yes, and this one is in French rose, so they're all cut out, and there is a little bit of wiggle room as well for just in case. So got those ones there, and then I also have the smaller ones as well. These are really, really cool. I actually love these, so I'll be coming out with more colors of those really soon. And then last but not least, I do have a few underlays. So I have the wavy grid underlays, because I haven't uploaded them in a while, the abstract underlays, the full hearts underlays, the chevron underlays, there's quite a bit here, and the brick underlays. So there's quite a few things to choose from. I am coming out with some new ones, but I just wanted to get all of the older style ones out first. I have a little list of things that I need to do. So yeah, that is basically everything for the week. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with some of these new things, especially the letters and the underlays. I'm super excited. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!